Most 360 wave beginners have no idea what they should be or could be doing after a washing style. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step tutorial on what you should be and could be doing after a washing style. So if you get any value out of this video, always be sure to like, share, and subscribe. After your washing style, there's a couple of different ways you can go about what we're gonna do with our wig. I'm gonna show you how I do it and what I recommend. And as you get on your journey, you're gonna find out what you like, what you think works best, and we just go from there. So one, I definitely want to get some oil in there, especially if I don't get to do that during the washing style. Sometimes I don't always use oil during my washing style. You also want to make sure your waves are moisturized. So we got some Shea Moisture that we're going to be using. And some oil from the DeWavers. I'm going to show you the method. I'm going to show you how to apply these products. And this is something you can do after every washing style to just upkeep with your waves. Make sure you're getting in that work. Make sure it's getting all the nutrients that your waves need. And you're going to be good. You're going to be shiny. You're going to have some nice, sleeky, smooth waves. I'm always going to prep my hair first if I have time. So after the washing style method, I always go in with a little soft brush. Nice little soft, smooth session. Just to get your waves a little active. So now we're just gonna go in, take a little dime size of whatever moisturizer you got. You know what I'm saying? Whatever moisturizer you got, nice little dime size. Make sure it's all in there. So we got it all in there. Boom. And we're not gonna brush just yet because we want it to get all up in there. Want it to mix all up in there. Take some oil. If you got the little capsule joint, you could just boom, boom, boom on your head. Or drip it in your hand. It really don't even matter. Either way, get that oil in there next. And now we're going to go in with the brush session. Actually, that was my medium soft brush. I'm going to go in. Anytime you get a little session in, man, just make it worth your while, man. Always make sure you are mirror brushing so you can see your angles, see what you're doing. Smoothing out them forks. Work on that crown. My crown needs a lot of work right now, but we'll get there. We'll get there. We ain't tripping. Gonna go on with the lay down pad. If you don't have one of these, you can use a plastic bag, nice little Ziploc bag. Just look at that. Nice smooth routine. Lock it back in there. Just let the do-rag do its thing, man. Then when you unrag, your waves is gonna be nice, shiny, slick, smooth. They even gonna smell good. So this is the best after washing style method, man. There is. So if you got any value out of the video, always be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Here are my results. I'll catch you on the next one.